Guys, welcome back to Cars But No Coffee. I just wanted to show you guys the car before we do some small cosmetic modifications. We're going to tint the taillights, and then we're also going to do the heritage style side stripe, so it's going to go all throughout here. The car is really clean right now. We just cleaned it like 2 or 3 days ago, so there's no pollen. We're in Georgia, so there's a lot of pollen. No pollen today. And then there's not a ton of brake dust yet. If you know, these cars are notorious with the OEM pads, brake pads, for the brake dust on the wheels. But this is how it looks. Sorry, it's not, I can't really show you in the sun because it's just a cloudy day. We're gonna get, like I said, there's gonna be side stripe on both sides. I already ordered the vinyl from a well-known website, I guess, called Big Worm Graphics, but we're gonna see how it turns out with the vinyl on the side. So it's basically gonna say GT350, but this is how it looks stock right now. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna get the taillights tinted. Let me get a full shot of the rear. This is how it looks stock, no tint or anything. And we're getting it installed by a wrap shop, the taillights and the side stripe. I can try to do it myself, but I'd rather just leave it to people who know what they're doing and, you know, are gonna do it exactly right, because they have so much experience, especially with the side stripe, but also with the tint. So yeah, we're gonna get it installed by a wrap shop. I'll show you guys how it looks like after. All right guys, we are back. It's the next day. We have the vinyl on. I think it looks pretty clean on the side, the GT350, and then we also have the taillight tint. So, I mean, I think it looks just mean from behind, so I think it looks really good now with the taillights. And then the rear markers are tinted out as well, so I think that looks good. And then yeah, I mean, this is what the side stripes look like. This is from Big Worm Graphics. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. It does match the over-the-top stripes like pretty much perfectly, but the only thing is when the light hits it, hits the side stripe and the over-the-top stripe differently, it's going to look a little different because they're both metallic, so they're going to look a little different, but I think it looks really good. If you guys don't know, the side stripe, it takes it back to 1965, the last time the GT350 really came out for, you know, like kind of like a full production run. They came on 2020 of the GT350s of this model Mustang. It was part of a special package, so the paint, it was similar to white, similar to this white, but it's a little different. It's more like a cream or off-white, and then the blue stripes were a little different, and all the badges became that same blue stripe color. So this is just 2017 Oxford white with the lightning blue racing stripes. So now we have the side stripe, and I really love the taillight tint as well, because I mean, it just looks so much meaner from the back now. I love the license plate and all that stuff, but this is kind of how the car looks. So let me know what you guys think, and hopefully it gives you guys, if anyone is thinking of getting these stripes or whatever, it gives you guys good perspective. I bought the side stripe from a website, but I guess this is how it looks close up as well. It comes separate from, you know, it hits the front fender, the door, and then it hits the rear fender as well. Just to show you, when we open the door, it disconnects because it's on the bottom of the door, obviously. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks great. See you guys in the next video.